Welcome to this short video on how to navigate our course site in Blackboard. So from the home page, you can go to Getting Started, which you probably have already discovered takes you right into our tri-weekly learning modules, where you'll spend the bulk of your time finding what you need for each tri-week period, content and activities for the tri-week period. After you look through the Getting Started information in the first module, Meeting 1 is typical of a module, and you can navigate that through the table of contents by clicking one of the items in the table, or you could use the paging buttons on the far right that kind of pages through each item till it gets to the end, and then you have to go backwards or click a link that way. There are some other features in here to help you maximize your experience inside the course, collapsing menus, and the features do that. This is probably the standard way to do it. Got that out. So the breadcrumb trail will take us back too as well, so don't forget that part of Blackboard, and that'll take you back, and you can jump into another learning module which will have a consistent structure and set of features for navigating it, table of contents or paging through buttons. Movies should play right inside, by the way.
I'm gonna go ahead, I know.
And stop. And don't forget, you can always go full screen and make adjustments to the quality and volume through those built-in YouTube players. Back in the course menu, I could, of course, click on the tri-weekly modules as another way to get to them once you're off the welcome page, and weekly announcements, which will be pushed to you by email, will also be archived on the announcements page in reverse chronological order. Syllabus and Documents contains all the document type materials you will need to work through the course, including discussion protocols and rubrics, materials for working on deliverables and assignments, and the course syllabus. Speaking of discussions, let me get back to the tri-weekly modules. Most modules have a discussion activity that's at the very end. So if you click there, it will either prompt you to launch, or in this case it's only prompting and not taking me there, and I have to click to launch. And it takes you directly to that Module 1 discussion. You can also get to them all at once from the discussion menu on the far left, and then go into the one you want, or make another choice. Faculty folders contains folders that we'll use later in the learning community to build some content in Blackboard, and you'll have your named folder there with some guidelines to follow. And finally, any kind of course support information will be down at the very bottom of the menu. That tends to open in a new tab. I'm not sure if you can see that, so I'm having to click back to find the tab I'm in. So it opened in a separate window or tab on your computer. Just don't be thrown by that, and try to find the tab where you originally were. That brings you back into our course site. Thanks.